Pull on tube again. I managed to get the screws on. I'm sorry to skip the step to show how it's done. It's kind of hard to bounce a screwdriver and a screw with getting the plastics to line up. Let me show this down angle here. On this in particular lawnmower, the screws on the plastics were kind of hard to line up. Now, to move over to our next step here, the handlebars, to show what we're up against here, I had to also go to a special modification place, Home Depot, and get our replacements. And pretty much do some freight modifications because we're missing some bolts here. I'll show you what I had in mind. This, in particular, bolt here has 4 square nuts, although true, its curvature is a lot more better and will be a lot more easier to lock onto the handlebars. This one from Home Depot, as you can see, also has 4 curvatures. Going up, there we go. Has 4 blocks but does not have the curvature, but it should theoretically work. And I had also gotten a wing nut, which should also work theoretically along with the other one. So let's get working. Fits perfectly. Now for a modification. Oh yeah, look at that, beautiful. Tighten this down. And there you go. Well, I hope you can enjoy some of the rest of this because I still have some more work. I will show later on, just stopping for right now, YouTube, and hopefully you enjoyed what I have done so far. Take care. Hello, YouTubers. One last time, I'm going to stop and then see what I'm going to do here. This in particular pin goes for the grass hauler, as you can see, or for the guard protect, so you don't have things coming flying at your own feet and legs and chomp them up and all that. So pretty much install this for you and show how it goes. What we want to do is pretty much line up the two holes, make certain that the screen guard of the spring is lined up correctly. Starting with the opposite side, feed. And a lot of patience and luck. Without cussing and swearing too much, push it right on through. And grab myself a tap hammer and just tap it right on in gently. Underline gently, of course. There you go. Hope you enjoy.